REAP. What is REAP? REAP is a range extender adjustable project system. All it does, a solution, simple. Extend your range to infinity. This bucket here, it's our target. How far is it? 60 meters. Well, that's where I'm walking toward the other side. Now, what I'm about to show you right now is the product we have just made. What is it? REAP. Well, this thing, it's amazing. It's incredible. And I'll guarantee you, you'll find your target, no matter how far he is, where he will go, you'll get him. What I'm talking about? Let me show you. This is a rangefinder. Let's test it out. Oh yeah, exactly 60 meters. Today, I'll be using G18C from WE for demonstration for our product, the REAP. On the left is the stock. On the right is the REAP and the conversion kit. This demonstration, I'll be using G18C from WE, using 0.3 gram and the room temperature 22 Celsius. Now let's test the range. As you can see, obviously 60 meters is impossible. Let's test at 41 meters. Again, let's do 27 meters. Again, this time we'll be using G18C from WE with REAP conversion kit. Room temperature 22 Celsius. BBs 0.3 gram. Let's check at 41 meter, test that out. $55 meters. 60 meters. Where do you think you're going?